Hello guys, we actually waited for a long, actually 2 weeks, and we finally got the AdSense letter, and yeah, it is on our hand, and we'll just unbox it by this process. Let's try this. This is the last part. You can leave it here, but I will just remove each and every part so that I can just pull all the pages out. Yes sir, this was it, and we'll just put it. So guys, when you have the pin, you will just come to your Google AdSense, and under the payment section and in the verification check, you will get this needs attention. You will get this verification pin submit page actually. So we'll just put our pin here, and the actual pin is it's 71089. It's done, and we'll just submit, and let's see. Hope it will works. And yeah, yes sir, it has done, and I think we'll have to load more. Confirm your personal information to get your account ready to receive the payments. This was what is said. Verify your identity, and it's already done. So we'll just go back to the let it load, and let it just reload again. So hope it will just done everything. So it is done, as you can see, and that's all from today guys. And hope if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and hope see you all soon. So till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.